ready to turn website visitors into qualified leads. First, log into your Real Geeks Dashboard and navigate to the website section, usually found on the left-hand menu. Then, click on Landing Pages. This will take you to the Landing Page Management area. Click the Add Landing Page button to start creating a new landing page from scratch. You can choose from a variety of pre-designed templates, or opt for a blank page if you prefer a fully customized design. Browse the templates and select one that aligns with your objective, whether it's promoting a specific listing, capturing buyer leads, or offering a free resource. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. Click on the different sections of the page to edit the text, images, and layout. To capture leads, integrate a lead capture form. Drag and drop form elements like name, email, and phone number fields onto your landing page. Finally, add a compelling call to action button, such as download now, view listings, or get a free home valuation. And then publish your new landing page. It's that easy to transform your lead generation with Real Geeks.